In this video, I'm going to explain you how I did my third lab exercise of web technology. For this, I need to design a single web page using HTML5 and CSS3. For this, in this question was like in header, I need to create a website where it should have a website title. It should be at the center of the page, and I need to make a simple rollover effect using a horizontal navigation bar. For this header section, I use the code. I give header section title as cooking, and I use the h1 as cooking in the header, and I gave the rollover effect by using order linked list, by creating a div box. In that, I created a UL, a list of the items which I want to do in the h over in the CSS property. I gave the padding 0 pixels, border and margin as a 0 pixels for the whole web page. And for the website title h1, I just gave the color as black, and I initial the text shadow and background color, and I gave the font size as italic and height, and I aligned the text in the center, and I gave the paragraph font style, and I use the font style and font family to get the different styles of the title. For the H over effect, for this whole links, UL and LI links, for this I use CSS. For them, I use the padding, width, height, border, and background color. I displayed them in an inline box so that it will be shown in a same line. And I gave the text as center and border color as red. For this, I use the H over effect. So whenever you place the cursor on it, it gives a pointer for you. When you give cursor is equals to pointer, so whenever you keep the cursor over that particular word, you will get a pointer. And I gave background color as background color. And for this, for image, I just included the image, background image. For the second, third div image, I gave the image URL. The image which I copied, as you see in the output over here. Here the my title website cooking, and this is the my navigation bar where I use the cursor effect, where I place the cursor over this. I'll get the pointer, and background color is changed. My next was like in section, I need to add a banner image. I need to add three thumbnails, and I need to add two sections below it. I need to add in the footer, I need to give the contact details including a CSS file. For this, I use the code. In the main page, I created a div element with the image. In that, I wrote the paragraph as welcome to cooking. This is the div box. This is the whole div box, and the paragraph includes the welcome to cooking world. For this, I use the CSS styling. As image, for image, the background image, I gave this is the as image. I gave the head and background size as it make it as a cover, and I give the paragraph font size, color, position, I give absolute, and bottom 0 pixels and right 0 pixels. For the my second my division 3, for the bottom 3 divisions, I gave the 3 div boxes, 3 div elements like div 1, div 2, div 3. I gave the H reference. When you click on the image, you can go to the particular website where you can find the details regarding it. For this, I use the CSS property. For div 1, I gave the background image. This is the background image I gave. These are the 3 div elements I have separated, and I displayed them, 3 of them display in the inline box, and gave the height and width with the background repeat, no repeat, because if I give the repeat, the same image will be repeated continuously, so I don't want to repeat the same image. And I gave the margin to the left, and I gave the border 5 pixels solid and black. The color is black. In the div 2 also, I used the same CSS properties, but I changed the image element, and I gave margin left 20 pixels and margin left right 20 pixels, so that I can align that particular image in the center. For the third one, I gave the image width, height, and background as no repeat. So this till here it was completed. So for the bottom 2 boxes, I created a div element where I aligned it to the center, and I just gave the paragraph which I want to give in these 2 elements, and I just use CSS properties for this. I use the H over for paragraph. I use the H over so that when I place it, it can be moved to some other website. For div 5 and div 6, I use background color and width, float, height with border, and background repeat is no repeat as I want only one single thing, and I gave border right color as white. And for the my same other development also, I have created the same CSS properties I have given. For my address bar, here down of my address bar I give the code. Like I created one more div element. I just gave it I gave ID as div 7 and aligned it to the center. I gave address of it, and the CSS properties I just gave the width, float, height, border, background color, background repeat, and text aligned. When I run the this was my whole website which I have created, where you can find the title with the shadow effect, and you find the navigation bar which you can when you click about us, you can go to the you can move to the other web when you can go to the other website. As you see here, it goes to the other website where you can find more details regarding cooking. And when you go down, you can see the welcome to cooking world, and these are the when you place a cursor over chopping techniques, you can find the difference between normally and when I place the cursor. When I click on the chopping technique, uh, and these are the two different boxes where I have created, where you can find details, and down the address bar.